Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Genshin Impact on a MacBook Air. The most effective, and often only practical way to enjoy this expansive open-world game on your Mac is through cloud gaming services. These platforms stream the game directly to your device from powerful remote servers, completely bypassing the need for a native Mac OS application. This ensures a smooth and high-quality gaming experience, even on a MacBook Air. To get started, you'll need to choose a reliable cloud gaming service. NVIDIA GeForce Now is a prime example, offering robust support for Genshin Impact. This service allows you to play games you already own on platforms like the Epic Games Store or Steam. Simply sign up, link your accounts, and you are ready to stream the game directly to your MacBook Air, enjoying its stunning visuals. For the best experience, a few key requirements are essential. First, a stable internet connection is paramount. Aim for at least 15 megabits per second. Using an Ethernet cable instead of Wi-Fi can dramatically reduce latency and improve overall stability. Additionally, ensure you have a compatible game controller or a reliable keyboard and mouse setup ready for seamless gameplay. Once you have your service chosen and your internet connection optimized, the final steps are simple. Download the cloud gaming client application to your MacBook Air. Log in to your account, link your Genshin Impact game, and then launch it directly through the client. You can now explore the vast world of Teyvat with high-fidelity graphics and smooth performance, all powered by the cloud.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.